All right, we're gonna look at the cakes. Have you ever seen that show? It. You better not believe it's not cake or something. The lion sits here. This is our first cake right here. The lion sits there. The lion sleeps tonight. Showcase of decorated cakes. I'm going this way. This is 250 years of the Great American State Fair, and these are the professional cakes. Look at this tiny one. This is a miniature. Wow. This is novelty shape. It lights up, y'all. Second place. This is wedding cake. Happily ever after. Look at that. What a beautiful wedding cake. This is professional wedding buttercream. This is first place. First place. Do you see some?
Oh, that's cute.
Oh yeah, that one is cool. This is a junior cakes. There's Frankenstein, the fair. That one's Wicked, I think. That's cool. That one's a cat. Neat. This is non-professional. Look at this one. Wow. That is so cool. So detailed. This one's cool too. Peachey Baking Co. Fancy. This is Whoville. Look, it's tilted. Oh my gosh. How cute. That one is a teapot. Oh, they're saying get on out of here. This one's first place, Wicked. And this is third place. And this one is cool. This one is Super Mario Brothers. This is Drew's favorite, second place. This is second place. And this is first place. Wow. Look at this one, y'all. It's got a rain cloud on it. And this one is a cat. Look at that. That's so cool. Let's look at the best of show here. Best of show is a turtle. First place. Oh, that's professional. Leanne McLaughlin. This is the juniors best of show. Anyone can cook. It's ratatouille. Cool. This one is the amateur. And so harvest. Does that even look like a cake? It looks like a piece of ceramic. That's crazy. Let's see. We're at the North Carolina State Fair. Thank you guys for watching. Check out all the other videos from the North Carolina State Fair on my channel. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Oh, it's a little Elvis. Sewn. These garments are sewn by adults, it says. Aprons. These are crocheted. Look at the sweater. Wow. I want a chicken salad sandwich. Look at that. How cute. You know somebody sells that online. That is first place. Of course it is. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at this one. Those are called granny squares. This one's Got some gloves on it. Look at that. So fancy. This is second place. Look how detailed it is. This is the second place. It looks like it came from a store. This is also second place. She's definitely going to wear that. I wish I could make things like this. I do know how to crochet, but I just don't have time. This is for individuals that actually have time. Look at this. Third place. Gorgeous. What a cool outfit. Look at that first place. It looks kind of basic, but it must be something special about it. Second place. Look at this little bear. All right, I've lost my boys. There you guys are. Huh? Ramble Point? Ramble Point. Oh my gosh, look at that. What's that thing called?
Oh, dragon.
Yeah, dragon.
Little dragon.
Look at the little dragon. These are all dragons. It must be a dragon theme.
What? But what's it called? Oh, teach a dragon or something.
How to train your
How
dragon.
to train.
Look at those old ladies. Hand loomed and felted. This is the crocheted.
Works for adult Indians. Yeah.
Look at these little animals right here. Aren't they the cutest? Did you get some peanuts?
I did.
Why? You like them?
Yeah, these are like the best kind.
You can get them at the grocery store.
Not like this.
Yes, you can.
Not this tree.
How much were they?
$4.
$4. That's what they cost. What are we waiting on, Doug?
Doug went out for that.
Okay.
Dougie Fresh. He's hanging in there.
Dude, he needs to go home. You know how he did at the